guys, so I have a bark box here. As you can see, I can't show the top because of my address, but it just came in the mail today and I'm gonna open it for the dogs. So yeah, and we have 2 more subscription boxes coming. It's Kitten Up box and Kong box, but I'm excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It says, "What's the password, pal?" Inside, and you can open it. So open it. Inside is Scoob. His epic tale begins. Alright, so I can give this free Scooby box to someone. This is gonna be the next box we get, is a Scoob box, and then this is just saying I can add this to my subscription. So to get in, you can see there's 2 toys. So the first toy I'm gonna grab is this rye whiskey. So it has an ice cube in it, and the toy. It's crinkly. Oh, it squeaks. As you can see. Okay, so multi-part toy, ball squeaker, crinkle, multi-part toy, pop the squeaky ice cube in the crinkle glass for a second shot of playtime. Oh, that's cool. So I'm gonna take this off. And then this undoes. So as you can see, here's the ice cube for it. And then this is basically a whiskey glass, I'm assuming. So they do, and if they break this, there's a ball inside to continue to put in there. So that's neat. Okay, so Molly wants it. Next, we're gonna get is Bub the Bouncer. I believe I said. Yeah, Bub the Bouncer. Oh, he's also a squeaky ball. We can take this off. And so he's really neat. This is actually really cool. So I do have the 12-month subscription of BarkBox for these videos. So this is pretty cool. I like this for sure. Out of the 2 toys, so it comes with 2 toys, 2 treats, and some sort of stick. Molly is already trying to take it, but out of the 2 toys, I think this one's my favorite. So yeah, they have these. So I'm just gonna give it to Molly. So next up in the box, I'm going to pull out, I guess, this stick. So this is a soft and chewy. Oh, it is very soft. Salmon stick, salmon recipe, dog treat with kale. So I'm not gonna open this right now. I'm gonna save it for later. But there it is. 2 of these. So I'm just gonna grab this one. So this is a duck soup, duck recipe dog treat. I'll put the link to BarkBox in the description. I'm opening this. See what the dogs think about it. I'm just gonna break it up into 3s. So, Molly, come. I don't know if you can see her. So, okay. Molly, here, Rascal. So, last in the box, we have 1 more bag of treats. So, it is called Fish Flask Codfish Recipe Dog Treats. These are actually wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free. I'm gonna let the dogs try them. See what they think. That's cool. Oh, the cat came too. And then Princess is down here. I'm gonna give her one. Alright, so all the dogs approved of these. So let's go do a quick review of everything we've got. So we got these Fish Flask dog treats. Okay, watch out. These duck soup dog treats. I got the Chewy's salmon, soft and chewy salmon stick. So I got this toy, and we also got this whiskey and ice cube toy. So I like them. The box also has this really cool thing. So it says everything, like the whole gang. This is a bit cool. I like this one. I think the dog's cute too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all next time. Bye.